Hello guys, welcome to American University. So ayan guys, gala muna tayo guys. May exam tayo ngayon. Punta tayo ng Amerika. Punta tayo ng Amerika ngayon guys. Okay. So ayan guys, nakalabas na tayo ng bahay. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Amerika. American University. May exam tayo na. Food training kami yung nakaraan. Food training. So may exam na bang puntahan natin ngayon. Yan guys, mainit nga ngayong araw. Umaga. So punta tayo sa kasama natin para mag-taxi papunta doon. So let's go guys.
This also, they didn't buy car, you know. You see Indian family, I guess. They are just only routing. Okay? Imagine, put these up now. You have 6.
We are together also last time, sir. This is the one. Good one.
Yeah, okay.
Ayan guys, malapit na kami guys.
American University.
Malapit na kami sa kabila ng American University.
It's getting one.
So here we are. I think they're on the left. So ayan guys, American University of South Carolina. Okay, just click that. Hello guys, welcome to American University. Hello mama, how are you? It's hot day. So ayan guys, ang American University guys, ganda oh, laki. Oh, may bull yata dun. It's a bull, ha?
No, goat.
Goat? It's a goat. Oh, it's a goat. So dito kayo mag-exam guys.
You will find in Nepal. How are you feeling? At least you are in America.
How are you mama? Welcome to American University.
We are back to our college.
So we miss our college life. So we are happy to come back our school. Let's school college at American University. I miss this school. This is my alma mater. Okay, so napakalaki.
Can you take my one picture, please, here, Brenda? With the